What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dalton. This is my father, Chad. And here at Coyote Classics, we have a lot of awesome new inventory to show you. And then we'll run through the shops and showrooms and show you everything that's happening today at Coyote Classics.
Let's do it.
Holy shit, dude. This thing stays so tight, too.
Just when you thought I couldn't get it out of control.
I don't know if I've been in a car with this much horsepower that handles so nice.
Holy smoke! This is something special right here, guys.
We're gonna start right here with this 1971 Nova. That is the most badass car that we've had in our inventory. I drove this morning and I came back and said, Chad, you've never drove anything like this.
Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful paint, and look under there.
Where the money's at is this 5.3 LS engine, Woolwood 4-wheel disc brakes, Texas Speed camshaft, Holly Sniper fuel system, and a fully custom tube chassis, 4-link independent suspension. Now, when people say restomod, this is what
the epitome of restomod.
Exactly. 4-speed auto, but beautiful, beautiful engine compartment down to the valve covers. Everything just looks perfect in there. Air conditioning, and show quality. There's such a big difference in driving cars, like when they have this chassis that this one has. It's about a $25,000 to $27,000 chassis.
Just for the chassis? Just
for the chassis.
I love those wheels. They're just fantastic. Yeah. We could sit and talk about this Nova all day, but let's go ahead and move to a little Mustang here, should we?
Once we go through these, I'm gonna make you drive this car. We'll take it for a test drive.
Let's do it.
Because I wanna see the smile on your face when you drive that. It's very impressive. Tell us about this Mustang. We stopped and looked at this on our way through Nebraska.
Kind of crazy. We were on a hunting trip with all the boys, and my buyer Rod gave me a call and said, hey, I found a really good deal. So we went and met the guy just off the interstate. Really nice guy. He's just, he had 3 really nice classics, and he's just making some room in his garage. I think he had this one about 4 or 5 years, but the story is really cool. This was a one family owned car before he purchased it. The grandfather gifted it to the grandson, and he also gifted a ton of money to the brand new Ford dealership.
That's awesome.
Ahead of time, so they would restore this for his grandson. It was kind of a surprise.
But yes. Factory A-code high performance 4-barrel car.
4-speed, rally pack.
It's a neat car. It's very really original. Nice. It's gonna look great when Jay gets his hands on it and gets under the hood cleaned up. But beautiful burgundy, like you said, 4-speed convertible.
Got the disc brakes up front.
The 69 Nova you guys seen a couple weeks ago.
This is actually a 70, Big D.
70. For some reason, for whatever reason, this car keeps tripping me up. I know it's a 70, but I keep calling it 69 today for some reason.
It's an older restoration, but really quick. The Cortez Silver looks absolutely gorgeous on it. It's got some little chips and nicks and stuff, so it's a driver. But really good car. No power steering or brakes, but a lot of the Novas didn't have it. It's got a nice dual exhaust, headers, shroud.
And a 4-speed.
Yeah. 4-speed with the factory bench seat, 4-speed SS hood, SS emblems. And this one's really gonna be priced right.
Yeah.
I mean, they all are, but this one for a lower budget car is a cool muscle car for under $30,000.
And it sounds crazy if you've been watching the market on these classic cars for a long time, but it is damn near impossible to find a good solid muscle car for under 30,000 bucks anymore.
That looks like that, especially with a 4-speed. It's already got the $1,500, $1,800 worth of wheels and tires on it. It's really ready to go and have some fun.
Yeah, absolutely. So's this GTO. We have the turquoise one that y'all have seen and is for sale on our website, so make sure you check that out. But this is another one that'll be coming to the site real soon. You want to tell us a little bit about this one?
Yeah, I can. Again, we can only go by what we're told, but this one right now was supposedly the original miles, which is almost crazy. I think it goes like 28,000, something like that. But I can tell you it's the original interior.
And the original interior looks like it's 28,000 miles.
It does.
Under the hood's all original and it has factory air.
It is. We had it's got air on it. It runs and drives great. Automatic 2-speed power glide with what appears to be the original motor. It's got the YS code engine. We'll have to do some date code stuff on it to make sure. But this is a sedan, really good running, driving, real GTO.
So this will be coming to the site soon. All these out front are new inventory that are coming to the site, but if you see one that you like, give us a call and you can be the first one to jump on it before everyone else gets a chance. This Falcon is another one I bought along with the black Nova. And it's not your typical Falcon. You know, the beautiful turquoise interior and the wheels. The whole look of this car is awesome.
Wow, this one's got 4-wheel disc brakes as well.
It does, but the big kicker is the 5.0 engine under the hood.
Holy smokes. That's nice, huh?
Yeah, touchscreen in the dash. And I love the turquoise interior.
Air conditioning as well.
Yep.
Steering, brakes, and air, power brakes, 4-wheel disc. And all of them are a little dirty, guys. We just got them in. So once Jay and the guys get done checking them in and getting them cleaned up, man, this has got the perfect stance on it, doesn't it?
Does. Beautiful wheels and tires. And something about that turquoise interior.
Tilt wheel as well.
Yeah, tilt, and it's got a custom little digital screen in the dash, which makes it nice for
You fire it up.
guys my age.
Listen to that.
That's one of the nice things about when they do these modern engine swaps. It's just how easy they start, and you know the maintenance on them. It's like having it is having a modern drivetrain in an old car.
Exactly. Well, let's go ahead and take that 1971 Nova for a spin, shall we?
I'm excited to see what you think of that one. Behind the wheel of the Nova, and Chad and I were just talking, this is just a whole different animal. You know, it's one of those cars that we just like to have in our inventory to drive it and say we have it.
This one's definitely not going to be cheap, but there's nothing cheaply built on this either.
No.
I mean, this is going to be one that'll be cool to go to car cruises and stuff
And
like that, huh?
the interior and headliner are just as nice as the drivetrain on this thing. I mean, not any money was skimped anywhere, but I'm excited. You'll love the way this thing handles.
I already love the way the exhaust sounds.
Feel of it.
Holy shit!
This thing is awesome.
No way! Oh my god.
But even just like the feel of it, the handling of
Yeah,
it.
I just was going, it was going so damn fast and perfectly straight and felt so under control, and all of a sudden
Yeah,
it
it's
shifted
awesome.
and it got a little crazy. It says low fuel. I don't know how far you want to go here, D, until we go to the gas station, but
We'll just make a little loop, just so I just wanted to see your reaction of this car. Just spinning them, breaks them loose like that.
holy smokes, huh? And there's no noises. I'm gonna roll my window up.
Yeah.
What a tight car.
But
What
the
a
whole
great
feel
build.
of it.
Yeah, 4-wheel Willwoods are awesome.
The roads are a little wet today, so that might be some of our high horsepower thing like this.
Here's that too, look at that. I mean, the wheels
No
have
rubbing.
just a perfect fit under there.
It's pretty special. I mean, great shift. If you're building a car, you know this is the way to go with it. It's definitely a lot more money spent, but you know this is one that you just don't really want to get rid of because it drives so damn nice.
Now, and it costs it's so much cheaper to buy one built like this than to take it to a shop, you know, with an open checkbook and have them build it with this chassis and the drivetrain.
You spend-
and then you never know what you're gonna get. You
Oh,
might spend
absolutely.
$125,000, but you might not be happy with stuff. This you can come and look at it way cheaper than that, and actually see the finished product and drive it.
Absolutely. Let's go through the shop, but this thing is one of my favorites we've had here. Woo!
It just
Absurd.
revs so quick.
It does. It's crazy.
I put this against a Camaro or anything.
Oh yeah.
And man, that black Nova was super fast.
Told you it
What
was
a
something
nice
special.
car.
Yeah, that's pretty damn hard to beat. We'll go try to catch the guys before they go to lunch in the shops quick,
Yeah,
and then
let's do
we'll
it.
double back to the showrooms. Just missed old Michael, but Charlie's cleaning up the retractable. That's sold. Getting ready
Yeah.
to ship out.
You know what? That was a good old car. You drove that back like what, 25 miles after
Yeah.
we traded for it?
Yeah, drove good. That was before it even went through our shop. But good reminder too, no matter where you're at in the country, we can ship them to you, ship them all over. So you're never too far away when you're buying Coyote Classics. 70 Satellite came in, we did change the wheels on it, put like kind of the Mag 500 style wheels, had some gray torque thrust.
Yep.
That's a good car. Dustin's doing the check-in.
I think he's about done with the check-in. Just gonna go ahead and put a little tranny fluid in it. And
There
got
you go.
done driving it, so.
Two Chevelles in here. Good,
Good,
Brant, how are you
doing?
Mark is doing some work on this 72, getting ready to do new hubs, brake work, kind of all kinds of stuff on this brown 72 Chevelle. That's going to be a good car when he gets done with it.
Yeah, it's gonna be a nice car in a good price range, dual exhaust, billet
Kind of thinking
motor.
mid-low 30s on this one.
Yeah, high 20s, low 30s. Yep.
Nice.
Yep, probably low 30s. Depends how much Mark spends. Hey Mark, how'd this one drive? You still need to do a little brake work or what's up?
Well, it come in, we had a hub that had wobbled out 3 studs, which we've got new hubs for now, and which in turn, it made, come over on this side, this is where the bad hub was, which in turn it started digging into this front brake shoe, and wheel cylinders leaking. So I'm replacing wheel cylinders, brake shoes. It's going to have new hubs, new wheel bearings on both sides. In the back, somebody had put new brake shoes and hardware in, but they did not replace the wheel cylinder. Both rear wheel cylinders are leaking, so I'm going to wind up replacing both of them.
Good deal. If Mark's not happy, then, you know, it's not good. We got to make it happy.
Customer will be happy, huh? Whoa, this is a sharp Mustang.
Juicy J's, Bay. This is a 67 we seen in our Sunday video a couple weeks ago. Jay finally got his hands on it. This thing's got really nice paint, beautiful interior. Michael, if you come around here, Braids, Michael did all new dash bezel lenses. Just kind of really made that interior look as nice as the car is.
The paint on the inside is as nice as the paint on the outside, the jams, everything. What a show car, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a nice one.
It's a show car, not daily.
No, we've got some daily driver Mustangs, but this is definitely a show quality Mustang.
It is.
What's it like under the hood? Pretty nice?
Yeah, Jay's got to kind of pull it apart, but the paint on the inner fender, see how shiny that is?
Yeah.
You know, it's all cleared and done right.
It's like pretty much stock motor, 2-barrel, but they did a beautiful paint job in the interior on this one. What's the name on her? Let me guess.
Cherry bomb.
Yeah, you cherry bomb,
good.
red
I was
cherry.
thinking here.
Cherry bomb. Everybody likes cherry bombs.
Cherry
All right.
bombs.
All right.
Brant's, as we get over here to the blue 67, Brant's doing a lot of custom work with this for a customer, putting a tilt column in it, doing some seat work. Tell us a little bit about that, Brant. Big project.
Yeah, this is a pretty big project. Had to put a custom identity column from Ethernet. Worked great. Product worked really well. Justin did a good job wearing that. Stop column's laying over there, but we put that tilt column in there.
Nice.
A nice Grant wheel. I moved it forward and up, and I moved the seat back about 3 inches. So he's going to have plenty of room. And it's just like we like to make our customers comfortable with our cars, and we want to know. Want to go drive them.
And if you get a taller guy or something or a shorter person, if you're not willing to help them out, you're not going to sell them a car.
Right.
I mean, there's a lot of dealerships that don't have the guys in the back that can do all this stuff, and that's kind of what makes us special.
I know for me, you know, whatever I, own and I'm going to drive a lot, I definitely would give it to Brant and have him move the seat back and make some adjustments there.
Mustang for you.
Yes, you did. Yeah, you did. You did that for that Mustang Fastback, and it's the only way to do it. You know, they're fun to drive, but if you're not comfortable, they're not as much fun. So
No,
we
exactly.
can do all that stuff too.
Well, thank you, Brant. Beautiful car.
We've had to do work for an NBA basketball player that was like 6'10" that bought a car, and that bench seat had to go way back for a guy that's 6'10".
Hey, Justin here in the shop. Just checking out this 66 GTO. Wanted to make sure the brakes were pulling a little bit, and wanted to check out the steering. I got to replace the steering link on it because it's a little bit loose. So otherwise, it's a good car. Really checking out good. So.
Wow, this is completely packed full, huh?
The 61 Impala, that car's absolutely top end. Same up there in the same tier as that black Nova that we checked out today.
Definitely. I love the interior on this one. 348 tri-power, steering, brakes, and air. Absolutely gorgeous. Of course, over to the side here, we got the Comet GT, probably the nicest one on the market. If you ever had a Mercury Comet 72 ever in your lifetime and you want another one, that's the best one on the market.
That's
right
the
there.
one to do it. And just real quick, all these cars, if you want to see more detail on them, go to the website, coyoteclassics.com. You can see full 15-minute video on each one of these. Turquoise GTO is another car that's very, very nice. Air, perfect color. You can't get a better color in a 67 GTO, in my opinion.
Turquoise on turquoise, his or her shifter with air. How about that? Another turquoise and turquoise car sitting right beside it. That one's an original 56,000 mile little Mustang convertible. Numbers matching, original engine. We just checked that for a customer. Very nice. This one's just a nice little driver. Really good looking little muscle car, tan
Somebody's-
interior, tan
Somebody's
top.
missing the boat on this car. $33,995. It's a hell of a lot of car for the money, and I guarantee you can't buy one at auction or anywhere else for that kind of money that looks like this one. 68 Mustang. This is another well-restored car, beautiful paint and interior.
So what's this? This one surprises the hell out of me. I love the wheel and tire combination. Great, brand new paint, vinyl top. It's got the look, it's super clean.
And this red one here has got original interior that's super well kept. Under 30,000 bucks, guys. I mean, you're not gonna find a better Mustang coupe for that kind of money.
And it's red.
And it's red with the white vinyl top, which, hey, Christmas is coming up. Kind of looks like something Santa would drive.
Santa.
All right. Oh, shit. Pizza party.
Pizza party.
Don't forget the pizza. Happy birthday, man. Is it your birthday?
I guess.
Is that what we're celebrating?
I guess.
Happy birthday. This Cutlass runs and drives as nice as it looks. This is just jump in it and go anywhere.
And then we have a few rare cars right now. Well, one of them we'll check out there, but this is another one that's really rare. Super low production numbers on the 72 Buick GS Stage 1. This ain't a GS that somebody put a 455 in. This is an original 72 Buick GS Stage 1 with factory air.
Bunch of documents too on this California car, so very, very solid underneath. Original numbers matching tri-power, rebuilt motor, rebuilt transmission.
And this car is great. I think it may be the color. That's, you know, if it was any other color, it'd be gone. But if somebody likes that green and wants a really good low mileage survivor car, it runs and drives great, buy that Le Mans.
Hood tack, rear spoiler, nice wheels. That's a good one.
We'll make it quick in this showroom, but mainly we wanted to show you the mural that we've been kind of following along with is finally finished up. And then she kind of brought that red, white, and blue smoke throughout the showroom. It's gonna be kind of neat.
Isn't that cool? Downtown Detroit in its day, in all neon stuff. It's just really cool. I love it.
It is. 71 Mustang Fastback. We put that up on the site yesterday. Took a walk around test drive video. That should be up by the time you're seeing this one.
Same thing with this, numbers matching.
72 SS 396 Camaro. I posted this on Facebook, and a lot of people are saying, "Oh, they never made a 396 and 72."
So you had to educate them?
Yeah, we had to educate them. 970 of these cars built. You know, there's not many around. I bet there's
Done in its original color, whatever hell orange it is, it's original.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah, exactly. With air on that.
This
bad boy
one,
too.
as you've seen, we drove earlier. Wow, this one will guarantee, I don't care what kind of cars you drove in the past, this is guaranteed to put a smile on your face.
Yeah, it's one that you know, if somebody wants a classic car that they can drive everywhere, it's that one.
With air, high horsepower, fuel injected. 67 Mustang, 57 or 58 retractable. Both of those are ready to get delivered to the new owners. Got a couple new cars here. Just came in. We'll talk about those next week.
Yep. And then the last one, well, we can talk about the Chevelle really quick. Another high horsepower deal. We still need to put them torque thrust wheels on there. But this is a 70 442 numbers matching 455. Very nice car. Can't really beat an old 442 like that with the numbers matching 455.
You know, this one's a great car at a great price. I mean, if you look at other 442, especially numbers matching 455s in that color, they're way higher than that.
Yeah.
This is a car you almost have to come and see. If you're looking for something in a budget, but you want a 4-speed, you want a Camaro, and you want something damn near perfect,
With AC.
that's it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a really good car. So all kinds of neat stuff, and as you've just seen, I mean, stuff's moving around here all the time.
Yeah.
Definitely a neat place to check out. Appreciate you guys watching every week. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below on what your favorite car is, or if you have a car at home, what it is. Let us know.
And come see us. I mean, we love having people come walk in. We'll drop what we're doing, show you around.
Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.
Thanks, guys.